Let's walk through how to remove the evaporator on a Chevrolet Captiva. We've already replaced the condenser and compressor on this unit. If you want to see that process, I've added a link to the video about it. Before we touch any hardware, we always start with an initial electrical and dashboard check. This helps confirm that everything is working as expected. Next, we recover the refrigerant from the system. Let's get started. This job is definitely a two-person task. There are large, delicate panels involved and a lot of components to manage. We'll begin by removing the instrument panel. Be careful when removing plastic interior components. They can become brittle with age and heat, and are often held in place with hidden clips that snap easily. Use a flat trim tool to gently pry around the edges and avoid leaving marks or cracks. As you go, it's a good idea to make a list of the parts and screws you remove. It will make reassembly much smoother later on. Take out the upper dashboard panel to access the internal supports. You'll still need to remove a few more layers before reaching the evaporator. Next, remove the dashboard substructure. This large internal frame supports the vents and ductwork and gives us access to the evaporator housing behind it. With all of that cleared out, we can finally access and remove the evaporator. And that's it for this teardown. Thanks for watching. If you want to see the whole cleaning process, drop a comment below.